Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the dark theme on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working in Asana and you want to go ahead and change the dark theme because it's too light. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. From here, you're going to go ahead and click on Settings. Next, click on Display. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and change your theme. So you can change it from light all the way to dark. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your theme to dark on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.